Welcome to the Massey Air Museum. The Massey Air Museum is a significant landmark in Kent County, Maryland, dedicated to preserving the legacy of early aviation and its profound impact on the nation's history. Situated at the historic Massey Aerodrome, this museum stands as a living tribute to the pioneers of flight, showcasing an exceptional collection of vintage aircraft. Within the main hangar, you will discover interactive exhibits that captivate visitors of all ages. Among the highlights is an open cockpit display and an interactive engine that reveals the inner workings of aircraft mechanics. The hangar also features numerous display planes suspended from the ceiling, alongside meticulously restored plane engines displayed on the main floor. One standout is the full-scale replica of the 1911 Wright Brothers glider, an homage to Orville Wright's groundbreaking soaring record. This exhibit is particularly fascinating as it contrasts the ingenuity and simplicity of early flight with today's advanced, technology-driven aircraft. After exploring the main hangar, we ventured outside to see two of the museum's most notable full-sized aircraft. Our guide led us into the Douglas DC-3A, an aircraft pivotal to the development of commercial air travel. This particular DC-3A has been painted to resemble a C-47, the battle-hardened sibling used extensively during World War II. While this plane did not serve in wartime, its livery honors the critical role that C-47s played in transporting troops and supplies during the war.
The master switch thrown on inside the museum, and toggling these, you can get the position lights, the red, green, and white, the rotating beacon, and the landing lights turn on.
The second aircraft we explored was the Antonov An-2, famously known as the world's largest single-engine biplane. Equipped with a powerful 1,000 horsepower Shvetsov Ash-62 radial engine, the An-2 was designed to operate in remote and challenging environments. Its rugged landing gear and ability to perform at low speeds without stalling made it invaluable for agricultural work, forestry, and even medical evacuations in hard-to-reach areas. The Massey Air Museum offers an unparalleled journey through the history of aviation. If you're ever in Kent County, Maryland, this museum is a must-visit destination, leaving you with a newfound appreciation for the legacy of flight.